Good morning, children. As you have got my first video, today is I am uploading my second. About this, we'll do another topic or another class, that is for class 6. That subject name is maths. See here, you have also can see the mathematics subjects I have written here. Name of the classes also is written here, and the name of the chapter is knowing the numbers. That means we know already in the previous classes the number it is. So I think most of you have not got the 6th book, means the NCERT class textbooks. If you not get though, it's no problem. You can get in the Google also. As you know, the Google is, you can get it from the Google, and the PDF also out there. I am showing you the cover page of this book. See, this is the cover page of your book. Knowing, that is the book of mathematics from class 6, a textbook for class 6. So as we like to say here, there are so many chapters are there. Your syllabus also have been displayed in the WhatsApp group of your numbers, class group numbers, and then you can already started the numbers as per the schedule also. There are so many chapters, if there is not it. Since it is a math subject, why we should do this all? We have to do all because of the, we know better idea of this mathematics. And then we have to do just now have an online classes are there, as you know, because online classes are also so not so much it is an what you call, it is an effort and effective. It only can effective when you see this, when you view these videos, and then you can get the idea of these subjects. Today I am going to tell about you the numbers. As you know, the numbers are starting from 1 to 10. Not 10, there are 9. Here at first, in the beginning of the story of the mathematics, I am going to tell about the beginning of story of the mathematics. The numbers have been started only from 1 to 9. So that means what? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Here we should count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the discovery of the mathematics, first of all, in Greek country, that is, and there have been showed up to this much only. But the number is as an incomplete one. Why these digits are firstly discovered? To get the countings. By getting the countings, they have been already discovered this up to only these 9 digits are there. It looks an incompleted. The Indian mathematician Aryabhatta, he discovered that another digit is there. What the another digit it will be? The digit is 0. But it has no value. Why it has no value? Because it is a meaningless. And when it placed before the number, it has no meaning. But it has also a meaning when it plays after the numbers. That means what? If we place after 1, it will be called 10. If we place after 2, it will call 20. If we place after 3, it will call 30. So approximately these all are the digits about the numbers. As you already know from the beginning of your nursery, from the beginning of your past classes, you already have done. You already have been seen. You already have been the naming of this number also. I think in the BP1 class, that is preliminary class, nursery 1, you have got the number names up to 50, then 100, then moreover each and every classes, you have got the maximum name of these numbers. So there may be a question, can we finish these numbers by writing this, by writing their names, by writing only the numbers of digits? Can we finish this? No. The answer will be no, because these numbers can be made. That is, with the help of these 10 digits, how many digits are there? 10 digits. With this help of these 10 digits, we can make up to infinity numbers of digits are there. Up to infinity. Anybody want to write the numbers from 0 to up to how much we can finish to be? This is an impossible one because it needs so much space. If you want to write this on in your copies or then another things, you cannot finish it by writing or by saying this. Your whole life will be gone over, but you cannot finish this as by writing or telling this. So for we are knowing the numbers. About these numbers, we have some ideas. In the previous classes, we have seen that there are some digits up to 10,000. First of all, it is 100, then 10,000, hundreds, then 1,000, then lakhs, then crores, then 10 crores. There are so many. After that, we will go for the infinity numbers are also there. But you have known already up to this. In this class, we will know whole about the ideas about these numbers. So what we can call these numbers, starting from the 1 up to infinity, we can call it as a natural numbers. Then when it starts from the 0, it will call, and it ends up to infinity, it will call whole numbers. Then what the name is difference 1, because the 0 have been discovered in the letter 1. Then there are so many numbers, as you can see. The numbers are starting 1, 2, 3, 4, starts from the 1, 2, 3, 4, then 9. After 9 it will 10, it comes 11, 13, 12, 13, 14, like this. There are so many numbers are there. In this, you will get some of the namings of these numbers. We have to name these numbers as compared to the bigger number. The number will be bigger one. If the number will be bigger one, we have to say by their names. You have the name also. See, you have name of everybody have its own name also. There are some nicknames are also there, but nickname is not applicable in everywhere. So what do we call? We have to call the name of yours as what the correct name it is in your certificates also. For example, I can say the name of a student is Anuj Buddha, like this. There are so many are there, so we cannot call it by Anuj or then any other nicknames. Like this, the numbers has also the naming of these numbers as their specialities. Means what we call, we have seen already in the previous classes that the numbers has the number name except its own as by counting. So we will go for the counting first because we have to also remind this. No, previous classes we have remindable things are there. We have also forgotten some of these because we are a lot of part from our books also. That means what? We have forgotten somewhere else. I will remind you, no problem. I will remind you as from the beginnings. So what does it known as for the numbers are can be written from the places of ones place. I am writing here in a short ones as an O. Then it can be count from the tens and then 100. Maybe you have a question from where we should count. Is there any light? Is there any left from the left part or in the right part? The answer is from the far right apart. Means the last one of the right hour in the right hand position. If you see to the copies paper or then to the book or to the blackboard, the far apart number is ones place. So we should count from the left, from the far right of our position. Then it comes for the next, it is tens place. Then it comes to the next place, it is 100 place. Then 1000, I am writing here in shortly TH. Then after 1000, it will count for 10,000 TTH. Then it comes for the next one, in next place it is lakhs. So we are here, I am writing here with lakhs, it is only the shorter it is L. Then 10 lakhs. And then it comes for the place it is crore. After that it comes for 10 crore. See here, there are difference in their position also with their place value systems. So in this system, I have written a system here, as it is known as Indian place value system. You also have known in the class 5 also. Now you are in class 6. You have to remind this because we have to name our numbers as their place value system. In this, in your books, you will get some of this. The two numbers are there. The naming of numbers are there with the two naming system. One of them is Indian place value system. Another one is international place value system. Why they are named so? This different type of names are there. In India, we are living in India, no. So we have to face the Indian system. Means all over the India, there are 29 states, as you already read in SST subjects are there. There are 29 states and 7 union territories are there. So anywhere, if you go there, you will see you have to say the numbers to any other people. You have to say with their naming of their numbers. You cannot say like this. I have give you to the price of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 6, 4, 3, 4, 1 like this. If you say like this, they will tell you are not knowing the numbers. So what we have been saying for this? For this we have to know how to count the numbers as a place value system. Here I have written here only the name of a short way, the system of Indian place value system. Then we have also later we will discuss on the international value systems is also there. Here in this book, here very shortly it is given 100 equal to 10 tens are there, 1000 equal to 10 hundreds are there, then 1000 equal to 100 tens are there, then 1 lakh equal to 100 thousands are there, then 1 lakh equal to 1000 hundreds are there, then 1 crore equal to 100 lakhs, then 1 crore equal to 1000 thousands also there. This is given very short way to get you the reminder of the previous classes. What we call this is very shorter one. From here, what we should learn this we should learn this about the further numbers are there. The further numbers are there. You have to learn this by naming of their numbers. See here, see one. These numbers are written in a short. Just I am giving an example that for you can get the better ideas. See, I am writing a number here: 1, 3, 6, 4, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2. In every place I have written one single numbers are there. Maybe the numbers are more than that also. The digits are, I can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here are approximately 9 digits. That means what? A 9 digit number is there. We cannot tell in a sudden moment if we do not learn how to name in an Indian place value system. So first of all, what we do? We have to place these numbers, or we can count this as a ones, tens, 100. Here in this crore place, we have got the number. The number is 2. That means what? The naming of this number can start from 23 crores. So at first, what we do this? We have to place some commas are there. What does this comma is given for? It is given for only the known about the placing of this Indian system. See, I am showing this in these numbers. Another, once again you write the number, this one, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7, 4, 6, 3, 1. No any rules to place the commas. Only for our better understood. Only for our better to knowing the numbers, we are placing this. First of all, we have to place a comma after 3 digits from the right apart. After 3 digits, we have to place a comma here. Then, after 2 digits, we have placed another comma. Then, after 2 digits, we have to place another comma. Now it looks as in commas inserted. We have inserted the commas according to the Indian place value system. Why we put this? For our better understood we have placed this to identify, to justify the number as a quicker one. See how quick we can see. Here, ones place, 10 place, and 100 place. Then this one is 1000. Then this one is lakhs, and this one is crore place. As we can say, here 23 crores. Place. As we can understood about the name of the numbers. It is 23 crores. Then 98 lakhs 74,631. If we go for name of this number, it is 23 lakh 23 crore 98 lakh then 74,631. So this will be your naming of this number. Now I am going to write these numbers as the name of an Indian place value system. So this is not so difficult. If you try this, you can write the number name of any numbers, whether it is in bigger numbers or there. I have written here only up to the digits, sharing up to 9 digits are there. You can write more than that also. That means if the digits are 10 digits, then you can write the name of this number also. Here I have written a digit of 9 digits. So I can write the name of this 9 digits as 23. That means 23. TWENTY. 23 crore. CRORE. Then it is 98 lakh. 98 EIGHT 8 lakhs LAKHS. Then after 98 lakhs it is 74 SEVENTY 74,000 THOUSANDS thousands 631 600 HUNDRED 631. So you have seen the name of this number is a bit bigger one. It will complete when you know the place value system of India. In your examination, maybe a question come like this also, because you have the given the question. It is write the number name as Indian place value system. So you can write first of all inserting the commas here. According to the Indian place value system, you can write first of all the inserting the commas according to the place value system. Then you can get the number name of this. But you have to know the table also. I have given, or your math teachers also given the Indian place value systems place value table. That is, you can get, for that you can get the ideas names of this number, of any numbers. In your exercise, you can get to exercise 1.1 is there. So you can get through some of the number names are there. Here in this exercise it is given both of the number names, international also and the Indian place value also. Both are given in one exercise. That means what? You have already known the number names place value system in the previous classes. Now what? You have to read the numbers according to their namings. So we have get the idea of this, how to write the number names according to Indian place value system. Then another one I am trying about the international place value system. Here I am using this because this one is already finished. So maybe you have a question. Once we have written the Indian place value system of any number, can we write the naming of this number in international way? Yes. The answer will be yes, sir. Why yes? Because these numbers have the both names. Two names are there approximately. I have told you that every student or every person have more than one names are also there. But in officially there is an one name. See here, this name is for used in India and anywhere, any states in the India. Then we have to go from outwards from the India also. Maybe the internationally another country is there. So we cannot say like this the naming of this number. I am showing the international system of numeration, how we can write the how we can tell the name of a number in international way. Here the number is written for Indian place value system or numeration. Now what? We will go for international way. First of all, at first we have to know for the Indian place value systems chart. So international, we have to also know the international place value system chart. Today I will give some ideas about the international place value system chart. See, in the far beginning of this number is also similar way ones. I have written here only short, it is O. Then next one it is tens, it is T. Then the third one in third place is hundreds. Next it is thousand. We call it for TH. I have written here short because the space is very low here. No problem. You have the copies. Very last spaces are there. You can write the full name also. Ones, ONES, tens, TENS, hundreds, HUNDREDS, then thousand, THOUSANDS, then 10,000, TTH. So the numbers are 10,000, TTH. That means what? After 1,000, we can place another number. It is 10,000. Then 100,000. Here a new name you will get 100, HUN 100,000. So we have seen in the Indian place value system. First of all, this 3 or 4 it is similar. Then up to 1,000 it is similar. Next one, in the international naming of this system, it is a different one. What the different it is? We have to write another place name. It is 100,000. Next, so we can call this as a 100 place. This one is 1,000 place. THOUSANDS. This one all for 1,000 place. Then another, these three for first, ones, tens and hundreds. Then next one it is after 1,000 place, we will go for millions. So here we can write MILLIONS, millions place. Where we should get 3 places are there. First one is only million. I have written in a short M, it is millions for M. Then another one is 10 million. So I have written here TM. Another place you will get after the 10 millions, it is 110 million. STM. I have written only short 110 million. So this is for millions place system. Next, after millions, it will come for the billions place. BILLIONS, billions place. Here also in the similar way, 1 million will be there. Then 10 billion will be there. I have written short TB. Then 100 billion will be there. Here also 100 million HM only. In shorter way, each and everybody have the 3 places are there. Means first of all it is ones, tens and 100. You can call it, it is an ones place, or as we have seen for the Indian system also. Then it is 1,000 place, 1,000, 10,000 and then 100,000. Next one it is millions place. It is millions, 10 millions, then 100 million. Next it is for billions place, billions, 10 billions and then 100 billion. More than that are also there, but in your class, in your syllabus, you will get up to million place. After billion, what will it come? Trillion. So it is international number as no, and maybe a bigger one also from this. That is why we can share up to this much only. See, I have written in the, I'm going to write a number here. For example, I am writing here a number 1, 3, 6, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, 2, then 0, 1, 3. I have written any numbers here. That means what? Here so many digits are there. Approximately by counting we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers are there. See, a very big number. So we can write also name of this number also. In this your new syllabus, you cannot get this up to 12 digits. You only get for up to 9 digits. So no problem is there. You will also learn in the later classes as it. I am giving the ideas of the naming, how to naming as in 12 digits in international place value system. See here, in the billions place, 310 are there. That means what? 310 billion. The name will be 300, right? 300, TH or double 300, HUNDRED, 300. 10 billion, TEN 10, BILLION, 310 billion. Then we come for millions place. It is 238. 200, HUNDRED, 238, THIRTY, 38. 238 millions, MILLIONS. Then we go for thousand place. It is 754. 754. SEVEN 700 HUNDRED, hundreds. 54 FIFTY 50 FOUR 54. Then we go for the last one, that is 631. SIX 600 HUNDRED hundreds. 30 THIRTY 31 ONE 1 full stop. So very big number name is there. In international way, we can write the name of these numbers as shown here. The whole name it is 310 billion, 238 millions, then 754. A mistake is there. 1000 will be there, sir. Here I have been mistaken also because somewhat maybe a mistakes are there. 1000 THOUSANDS 1000 place I have missed here. 1631. This is the whole name of this BR number 1 in international system. So you will get this on an exercise 1.1. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration is there. Another insert comma suitably and write the names according to international system of numerations are there. Here you got, here you will get 6 or 7 digits or 8 digits. So you have to write only up to millions place. If the digits are 8 digits, here see 3, 3, 6, 7, 8 up to millions place is there. So this all up to of the today's class. Tomorrow you will get the homeworks. Try to do this from exercise 11.1 and then you can do yourself also. Today this was also. I wish you stay home and stay safe. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day, sir.